This channel here could be making thousands per month with these simple AI shorts, which take less than 5 minutes to make. These shorts are getting millions and millions of views, and this isn't the only channel which is doing that. These other channels within the same niche are also getting millions of views and subscribers, proving this is a great niche for YouTube Shorts. Best part about it, it is all done by AI and requires almost no effort. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make 30 of these shorts in less than an hour. You can see this channel here also started posting long-form content after they saw success with their short form. And so can you once you get started. These long-form contents are also getting a lot of views, overall increasing their income from this one channel. What are these videos? These are historical facts made through AI, but it can be done with other niches too. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Step 1. Choosing a niche. The previous channels you saw were focusing on the history niche, and so will we. But just remember, this method can be applied to basically any niche. So feel free to try something different that you think would perform better. Since this is YouTube Shorts, the RPM will be quite low anyways. But if you can manage to get millions of views, the RPM will have little effect. However, if you try to choose something else, make sure it's something which you're either interested in or has a lot of things to talk about, since you would want to not post the same shorts again and again. With history, there are countless interesting things that can be talked about, but we won't waste any of our time researching that. Which brings us to step 2, the script. Luckily for us, our friend ChatGPT will come in handy here. Before using it, just make sure to say hello to our friend and greet him with a nice message. Just in case AI takes over the world tomorrow, at least you'll have a friend. We will start by asking ChatGPT for a few interesting moments in history and narrowing it down from there. Once you have a list, you can ask ChatGPT to elaborate more on it. Make sure to tell ChatGPT to add an interesting hook in the beginning and aim to make the script around 30 seconds long. This way the viewers would be interested to watch the whole video, which means higher chances of it being recommended in the algorithm. Out of the whole list, I found the Library of Alexandria the most interesting. So I asked ChatGPT to make a script out of it. If you want to make 30 of these shorts, just keep asking ChatGPT for more of these ideas and making a script out of all of them. Once you have the script from ChatGPT, make sure to add a call to action in the end, such as subscribe for more videos, or what did you think about this topic? This would encourage the viewer to subscribe or comment on your video, overall help push your video to more people. Once you're done with that, it's time for step 3, the voiceover. As I've always said and will continue saying, ElevenLabs is the best AI text-to-speech in the game, currently. I will leave a link for it in the description. Just put your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice you like, and click Generate. Step 4, generating pictures. For this, I will use Leonardo, but you can use any other AI image generation site too. Just make sure it's high quality. Now to generate the images, you will use keywords about your topic. So just copy some from the script you generated before. For example, for my script, which talks about the Library of Alexandria, so I will use that to generate some images for it. Once you have all the images downloaded, it's time for the final step, putting it all together. We will do this in CapCut, but you can also use any other editor. CapCut is the easiest to use in my opinion, and it's free. I guess the entire video isn't being made by AI, since you do need to put the clips together yourself, but this takes almost no effort. Just put the voiceover and images together, and then you can use auto captions within CapCut to generate the captions. Make sure to cut them up to display new texts to keep the viewer's attention. You can change the captions here to make them more interesting and appealing. I usually use the Roboto font with this color with a big font size. You can be finished with the video here and upload it, but to make it even more appealing for the viewer, I will add effects over the images. The more things you add in the video, the more interested the viewer will stay. That's all it takes to make one video.
Imagine a super cool place called the Library of Alexandria. It was like a giant brain where really smart people shared all their cool ideas. The library had so many scrolls, like ancient books, in different languages. But here's the sad part. One day, something happened, maybe a big fight or a fire, and the library went away. We don't know for sure. Even though the library is gone, we still talk about it because it was a special place where people from different places shared what they knew. Subscribe for more of these videos.
You can make 30 of these in less than an hour by following this video. Now that we are done with making the video, it's time to post them. Since it's YouTube Shorts, you don't need to worry about thumbnails. Just write a good title, which would capture the viewer's attention. Make sure to check out my other video where I tried YouTube Shorts for 7 days to see how to go viral with YouTube Shorts. Eventually, you should start seeing the views coming now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and if you would like to see me post these shorts on my own channel, let me know in the comments. Peace.